guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Chinese buffet crab casserole. Some call it crab Imperial, but either way it's made with baked crab. So what I've got here is I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese that I've softened up. To this I'm going to add a little bit of everything. Let me get another spoon. Lord have mercy, I'm losing it. Excuse me. First off, preheat your oven to 325. Excuse me. I'm adding a half a cup of sour cream. Just a dab of garlic salt. Not much. Oh Lord, what's that thing? Half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Some people do use cheddar cheese in this, I'm not. Damn it, because I don't have much. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You also need fresh lemon juice. I don't have any, so unfortunately I have to leave it out. I need a 1/4 teaspoon, well 1 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire sauce, whatever you will call it. I need a tablespoon of sugar. And a tablespoon of milk. Now you can add salt to this if you choose. Of course I'm not, y'all know me, when it comes to salt. No. Over here, I don't know if I told you or not, preheat your oven 325, I think I did. I do have my little casserole dish that I sprayed with cooking spray. I also have a 16-ounce bag of imitation crab flakes. This time I'm going to fold my crab into it, which I have to break it up as I get to it. This is, as I said, 16-ounce package. I think I need to get a fork because I don't want those big pieces in there like that. I should have probably flaked it before. Let me get another fork to flake it. But I'm just not prepared, am I? We're having a real simple supper tonight. I'm just fixing a can of peas with this. Nothing big. It's so hot here, guys. My poor husband, his air conditioner isn't working in his truck. The other day, his outside thermometer read 114. So, bless his heart. He comes in from work and just heads straight to the shower because he feels so nasty. And I'm glad he does that too. I mean, I still want some lump in it, but Not those big chunks. I want some going through all out it. Okay, I think I've gotten all the big ginormous pieces out. You can add vegetables to this if you want. I don't want any vegetables. I think I might add some dried minced onion, just for a little bit more flavor. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. Oh great, that was the perfect size fish for this. Go me, I did a goodie. I still have a couple of big pieces, but that's alright. This time I'm going to add another half cup of mozzarella on top. The rest of it wouldn't hurt. Alright, I'm going to put this in the oven at 325, and it's going to bake for 30 minutes. Be back soon. Alright guys, I just got this out of the oven. It was in there for 30 minutes. As I said, I just got some sugar peas to go with it. This is a light supper. Cheesy. I'm gonna let Tony fix his own because I don't know how much he wants. I'm not nice today.
And there goes the plate.
What? Alright, sorry. Alright guys, our Chinese buffet king or imperial crab casserole is ready. I want to thank everyone for joining me. I really appreciate all of y'all. If y'all haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do it. I'd love to have you in the family, and whenever you do hit subscribe, press that bell notification for all notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alright guys, leave me a big thumbs up, give me a comment, and share it out on social media. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.